This is a presentation of the project on newspaper consumption in the United Kingdom, completed for Data Warehousing and Business Intelligence module in National College of Ireland. Structured data was extracted, cleaned and transformed using R from ofcom.org.uk. Structured data was collected from Statista. Some data was generated based on the report from ofcom.org.uk using R. Newspaper prices were scraped as unstructured data from newsworks.org.uk. Microsoft Visual Studio is used for ETL. The majority of ETL is done using R and Python, and the execution of these files is what ETL starts with. It takes around 5 minutes to run the code. This is why the recording was sped up. First R file is used to create a dates dimension, extract data from source 1, and clean and transform it for the fact table and readers dimension. The second R file cleans and transforms data for the brands dimension, and Python file is used to scrape and prepare data for the newspapers dimension. After the execution of the code, 5 CSV files ready for data warehouse are created. All the tables are truncated and then populated in the next sequence container. After that, fact table is dropped, which makes this ETL rerunnable. After that, dimension tables are created from the tables loaded in the previous sequence container, and primary keys are assigned. It is possible to reduce the number of steps and combine the second and the third sequence containers. The last step of the ETL process is the creation of the fact table. As can be seen from the screen, the ETL process completed successfully and can be considered rerunnable. Some SQL commands used in the process could be seen on the screen during this demonstration. And now a close-up of the ETL can be seen on the screen. Cube is then deployed, some hierarchies are created, Cube is reprocessed and is ready for Tableau. One of the queries that can be answered using the design data warehouse is what percentage of the readers of the most expensive Sunday newspaper are employed. According to the presented data, the most expensive Sunday newspaper included in this research is The Observer, one issue of which costs £3. 248 readers of The Observer are employed, which is around 62%, and around 37% of the readers of The Observer are not working. The interesting question here is the nature of unemployment among the readers. It can be explored using the hierarchy built in this data warehouse. For example, age of the unemployed person can tell if the person is not working due to young age associated with the college, or for example old age associated with retirement. Apart from that, social grade, gender, urbanity and region can be explored. Another query that can be answered using this data warehouse is what is the urbanity distribution among the readers of the most popular daily newspaper who were surveyed in the second wave, meaning in 2018. So the most popular daily newspaper according to total reach is The Sun, and as can be seen from the results, the majority of the readers come from a medium town. Apart from that, there is an opportunity to see the distribution of the readers based on the month they were surveyed in, week of survey, and even day of the week.